Remember when cars were stick shift, phones were wired, and getting anywhere meant using a map the size of your dashboard? It was a simpler time for identity security, static keys, shared accounts, secrets in a vault, approvals in a binder, security that assumes the world stands still. So what's the big issue with standing privilege? Keys change hands, secrets leak, systems change. Privilege moves beyond the network. You can't drag Vault-era PAM into a world that changes by the minute. If access outlives the task, risk outlives the moment. Sensitive production environments and the identities accessing them are expanding at an unprecedented pace. Today it's multi-cloud and hybrid, APIs everywhere, new agentic identities, developers moving at runtime speed. Identity sits at the edge of everything now, so access controls have to move at the pace of the business. Once they authenticate, what happens next is what matters most. Grant just enough privilege and just-in-time access, as and when it's needed, for the exact task at hand. There when you need it, gone when you don't. So developers can move fast without adding risk, because securing production access is priority zero.